but his response is the world is full of opportunity.
Competition for the Chinese national speed skating team starts tomorrow, and WXII 12 is your home for all things Winter Olympics. You can see exclusive coverage both on air and online. And
don't forget to watch the WXII 12 Olympic Zone. It airs every weekday, Monday night, Tuesday night, all the other days, 7:30 through Saturday during the Olympics. We'll break down all the day's action and bring you exclusive stories from Milan Cortina and also look ahead to the evening's prime time action. Our weekend evenings have seen plenty of action the last couple of weekends, haven't they?
And this weekend is going to be extremely cold, right, Michelle?
Yeah, we are talking about blustery weather. You can see that cold air starting to spill in from the north, that Arctic flow. But I tell you what, we have some improving conditions for you too coming up. And we're talking 40s out there from today. Yeah, 36 degrees in Galax, 35 in Jefferson. We had 45 in Greensboro today. This was actually kind of an anomaly to most of the days we've had since January 23rd. We've had 14 days below normal for highs and for lows, and about 10 days in the 30s or below, with the 3 degrees rather on the second really being the coldest day this week. Now, snowfall 12.3 inches. Yes, we would like to keep winter in this remnant of January and early February out of the picture. Look at what we have coming your way. We have some 50s, we have some 60s, and it does look to stay a little bit milder for us and at least putting us above normal for afternoon highs too, as well as morning lows. So that's something to look forward to. Here's our cold front though tonight. This is the last Arctic blast, I'd like to say, of winter. Can't guarantee that though, but we've got the cold front here continuing to bring in winds out of the west-northwest. They're coming up in the mountains. You feel like 15 in Jefferson, 30s here to near freezing in Greensboro, even though you're still in the 40s. Now, high wind warnings is gusts to 60 miles an hour possible in the mountains with that alert on for you tomorrow. So it's an alert day. Feels like temperatures as low as 2 below, and those eastern slopes might even get you down to 12 below out over the western slopes. Impact day for folks in the Piedmont Triad from 21 in the morning only to 32. That's right. We expect to stay near freezing or just below all the way through Sunday midday. Temperatures are going to feel like the teens to single digits as you get started, of course, in the morning hours. Foothills too, 20 degrees to near 31. Feels like about 4 degrees. So brief wintry mix chances ended earlier, but allowing for some black ice concerns out there. We also have the winter storm advisory for folks in the mountains. We could see another 1, maybe 2 inches with some snowfall later tonight. And we have a few snow showers trying to roll through on the western edges right now, but most areas will be dry. You see the cold weather advisory 0 to 12 below 0 out there tomorrow morning for folks in the mountains. It's just a nasty afternoon with blustery conditions. You're gonna have a lot of blowing snow, not only what's fallen, but also what they might be making out at the ski resorts. But power outages are more likely when we get into these wind speeds 50 to 60 miles an hour for an extended stretch. And you see that here from early morning through the afternoon, and then we eventually start to see some improvements once we get you into your Sunday. But gusts as high as about 60 miles an hour there, and feels like temperatures you can see running below 0, as low as about 11 degrees showing on our forecast models here. So this increases your risk of frostbite if you're outdoors without a lot of gear. You need to have exposed skin covered up, and that includes eye protection too. So if you're heading to the ski slopes, remember that. You've got foothill conditions with wind gusts out there in the 50s, and then we see those winds die down later on, but single digits below 0 at times as those winds fluctuate and temperatures hold, remember, just close to the freezing mark. Also gusts to 45 miles an hour possible in the Piedmont Triad. We start to see some improvements by the evening hours, but not that much, right? 16 degrees versus 4 degrees. I don't know if I could tell a big difference in that, but you want to have gloves on and layered up at least one more day tomorrow. And even on Sunday, it's still going to be brisk out there in temperatures in the 30s. So gusts up to 45 tomorrow. Saturday is the worst day in terms of the cold, but we're going to kick it out. That upper level pattern helps to carry out the cold air, and we have a ridge of higher pressure that'll build in and a flow out of the Pacific. It brings temperatures aloft to encourage warmer temperatures here. Maybe a couple of cooler days in between, but it does look like we're on a warming trend. We're going to watch for some snow chances on Sunday, kind of peeking into the viewing area, likely into the Virginia region. I don't think it'll make it through areas of the Triad or northern Piedmont, but we'll keep an eye on it. Otherwise, we've got some rain chances that may develop through middle of the week. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Your impact for Sunday, not in the picture, but for Saturday rather, wind advisory in the Triad, the foothills, and that high wind alert makes it an alert day in the mountains. 49 on Monday, not bad. We're getting there. Then 58 degrees on Tuesday, even better. 61 degrees, a rain chance, and maybe a few showers by late week. We do need the rain as we continue with drought conditions, but love the 50s and 60s.